I'm SPC forecaster Liz Lightman with a multimedia briefing for Friday, March 2nd, 2012. This information is valid as of 7:30 a.m. CST. The Storm Prediction Center in Norman is forecasting the development of a few strong, long-track tornadoes over parts of the extreme southern Indiana, central Kentucky, and northern Middle Tennessee later today and tonight. The areas most likely to experience this activity include Alabama, Georgia, Illinois, Indiana, Kentucky, Mississippi, Ohio, and Tennessee. Reflective of this heightened threat for widespread significant severe storms, including long-track destructive tornadoes, along with damaging winds and hail, a high-risk forecast has been issued for portions of extreme southern Indiana, central Kentucky, and far north-central Tennessee. Surrounding the high-risk area, a few strong tornadoes, in addition to damaging winds and hail, will be possible within the moderate risk area, which encompasses much of the Ohio and Tennessee valleys. This morning's water vapor loop shows a deep trough moving into the plains with fast upper-level jet winds entering the base of the trough. Today's severe weather threat is being enhanced by the strong winds aloft, which we showed on the last slide. This will continue to overspread a warm, moist air mass ahead of an advancing cold front, which you can see on this slide here in blue. A severe thunderstorm watch was currently in effect across portions of east central Missouri, central Illinois, and west central Indiana, where storms had developed ahead of the approaching surface low and front shown on the last slide. Moisture was continuing to surge northward toward the Ohio Valley from the Gulf of Mexico, which will provide fuel for the severe weather this afternoon. As the storm system advances northeastward through the afternoon, an increase in thunderstorm coverage and intensity is expected. Thunderstorms are forecast to eventually develop across portions of Indiana, Kentucky, and Ohio this afternoon. By late this afternoon into tonight, thunderstorms are expected to develop along the advancing cold front across northern Mississippi, Alabama, and Georgia. The latest SPC severe weather probabilities reveal that tornadoes, some potentially strong and destructive, with damaging winds and large hail, are likely. The area of greatest potential will exist within an area centered near the Ohio River from southern Indiana across central Kentucky into north-central Tennessee this afternoon into this evening. Later this evening, this severe threat should spread south toward the central Gulf Coast states, where a few tornadoes and strong winds will be possible. This experimental information is not updated and is only intended for general briefing purposes. Please consult the SPC and our local NWS websites, as well as media sources, for the latest watches and warnings.